Welcome, everyone. Today, we unravel the mystery of reading MS Access files in DataStage. First, we look at why we even bother, because let's face it, MS Access holds valuable data we need. Next, we tackle common challenges, because who doesn't love a good troubleshooting adventure? Then we'll walk through essential steps, making the process feel like a well-rehearsed dance. Finally, I'll introduce you to tools that save your sanity. Ready to dive in. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. DataStage, the unsung hero of data integration. In this slide, we'll explore what it is and why it deserves the spotlight. We start with its core purpose, then move on to features that make it stand out. Next, we break down its components because understanding how it works is half the battle. And finally, some real-world applications, because knowing it's used in the industry makes learning it feel so much more valuable. Before we read an MS Access file, we need to know how it's structured, like reading a book before jumping into Chapter 20. We'll go over the file format, cover data types, because not all numbers are created equal, and peek at indexing magic that speeds up data retrieval. Lastly, some best practices because data disasters are no fun. Before charging into MS Access files, let's talk prerequisites. We need the right software in place, no shortcuts here. Permissions matter too, nobody likes being locked out. And compatibility issues can be tricky, so we'll cover the gotchas. And finally, stability, because nothing should crash when you're knee-deep in data. Ever tried making a smoothie with random ingredients? Data transformation is similar, except instead of fruits, we deal with messy raw data. We extract data, clean it up with transformations, modify it using different data stage tools, and finally load it where it belongs. Without proper transformation, our data might end up like an unblended smoothie, chunks everywhere. Data types are like languages, misinterpret them, and chaos ensues. We need to know our integers from our strings, convert formats carefully, avoid messy errors, and apply best practices to make everything smooth. Otherwise, it's like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole, frustrating and unnecessary. Errors happen, whether it's in coding or accidentally sending an email to the wrong person. But in DataStage, we have logs to track issues, strategies to handle errors, and tests to make sure things work. Debugging is basically detective work minus the magnifying glass. Speed matters especially when extracting data. We use indexing to make searches lightning fast, cut down on redundant processing, fine-tune scripts, and balance performance with resources. Otherwise, it's like running a marathon in slow motion, exhausting and inefficient. Exporting data is like packing for a trip. You need the right format, keep everything intact, automate where possible, and manage large amounts efficiently. Forgetting these steps is like stuffing everything into one suitcase and hoping for the best. Not ideal. Think of MS Access integration like setting up a great team. Everyone has their role. Tables need proper structure, queries must be optimized, data flow should be seamless, and security measures must be tight. Neglect any of these and it's chaos. We covered a lot: data transformation, handling types, error management, optimization, exporting, and best practices. If data handling were an adventure, you'd be equipped with the best tools. Keep learning, stay curious, and remember, well-managed data is powerful data. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.